We, the students of class 5C, are going to reflect on the theme impact of technology. Now, we will listen to Word of God. A reading from the book of Isaiah, chapter 43, verse 19. Behold, I am doing a new thing. Now it springs forth. Do you not perceive it? I will make a way in the wilderness and rivers in the desert. Word of God, thanks be to God, for I am about to do something new. See, I have already begun. Do you not see it? I will make a pathway through the wilderness. I will create rivers in the dry wasteland. Today's thought for the day is a powerful line from Purananuru. விமானிகளே இல்லாத விமானங்களையும் கண்டம் விட்டு கண்டம் பாயும் ஏவுகணைகளையும் வானவெளியில் செலுத்தும் அளவிற்கு விஞ்ஞானம் தற்போது வளர்ச்சி அடைந்துள்ளது. இக்கருத்தினை வலுவன் ஏவா வான ஊர்தி எய்துவ என்கிறது புறநானூற்று பாடல். இப்பாடலின் பொருள் சிறந்த அரசர்கள் விண்ணேர் பாகனால் செலுத்தப்படாத தானே இயங்குகின்ற வான ஊர்திக்கு ஒப்பாவர் என்பதாகும். பண்டைய தமிழர்கள் சங்க காலத்திலேயே தெளிந்த அறிவியல் சிந்தனையும் ஆழ்ந்த தொழில்நுட்ப நுண்ணறிவும் கொண்டிருந்தனர் என்பதற்கு இப்பாடல் ஒரு சிறந்த சான்று. Now let's listen to the pros and cons of impact of technology in today's world. This is 1998 evening news from Doordarshan News. Today's top story: Internet has arrived in Chennai. They say one day every home will have a computer. We are in 2025. From dial-up tone to 5G speed, everything changed. Shopping, learning, and praying, all one click away. Welcome to the digital generation. In the beginning, the internet was small, only for officers. Then came emails, Google, Facebook, YouTube. Now even in small villages, people use UPI, Zoom, and online classes. From cities to village sites, India became smart. The standard teaching tools like chalk and board are used to outline ideas and objectives of the lesson. Now we have smart board, CCTV, and school chants app for parents. Internet made learning easy. We can show space videos, English pronunciation, and world news in seconds. Even our school attendance, homework, marks, and timetable come in one click. Internet has made our village school modern, like a city school. Doctors guide patients online. Farmers check weather and crop prices. Spread Technology should serve us, not rule us. If used strongly, it still stands, peace and even faith. I am Saint Carlo Acutis from Italy. I love computers and the internet, but I use them for culture. Before I died at age 15, I made a website showing Eucharistic miracles around the world. I said the internet is like a sword. Use it for good, not for harm. That's why the church calls me the patron saint of the internet and social media. Let your online life also reflect God's life. The internet is powerful. It can connect hearts or destroy minds. The choice is ours. Let's use the internet with wisdom, faith, and discipline. Let's be modern, but also moral. Technology may change every year, but values, honesty, and faith must never change. We used to talk to friends. Now we text them. We used to read books. Now we scroll reels. Technology should be a servant, not a master. If you use without discipline, even the brightest web can trap us in its net. Technology is a gift from God, but